Hello, Howdoes here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues on the Stripe Express app on the iOS. First thing what you want to do is go up to the App Store, like here, search bar, and Stripe. And here I have find Stripe, and if you have the update button, when I have the open button, you should update. If you update it and have, like me, the newest version and still have some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, go right here, and you need to find this Stripe. I don't have Stripe, this is Express, right here, and here you need to set all the settings to the fabric, like mine, like Siri, and here the search. Everything on. Language is optional, you don't need to, that's not affect the process. And if you do this and still have some issues, the last way is just take your Express app, remove app, remove right here, remove, uninstall, and install again. Just reinstall the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and